Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we replace the dead battery in the newest Jaguar Land Rover key fob with a fresh one. We will use the mechanical key as a tool. We will also make use of a very small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. We'll want to remove the mechanical key first. Look for this button on the side of the fob. Push it and pull the key ring end, and you have the key. The manufacturer's instructions are to use the key between the two bits of plastic shown to pry open the two halves of the key fob. However, doing so only started the job. So we got out our favorite tool for this work, got between the two halves of the case, and twisted a bit more. And ultimately, on a second attempt, finished the job. We can now see the CR2032 with its markings facing up. A fingernail is all that's needed to remove the battery. A new battery slips in easily, sliding beneath the metal spring arm shown. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth to clean it once again. Make sure the markings are up and visible. The two halves go back together easily. Slip the bottom in first, the bit opposite the keyring end, and snap the two halves back together. Then replace the mechanical key. Finally, test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.